Hi everyone, this is me Sia. I hope you're doing great and learning this language greatly. So friend, in this video I am talking about important of vocabulary. Okay, lots of people they learn this language, they understand this language, but when time come to speaking they are pissed off. Why? Because less of vocabulary. Okay, so we are talking about how to learn vocabulary. Okay, because this is a very important thing in English. Okay, when you start your English journey, at that time you don't focus on vocabulary. Okay, understand point. When did you learn? Okay, this is a very important. We are not like follow proper strategy, and then we are creating confusion in our mind, and sometime later we think that why I'm not learn this language. First mistake is our, we are not follow proper strategy. That's why we are not learn this language. Okay, so when you start learning, you do listening and speaking. You think that how I'm speak because I am a beginner and I don't know anything. Whatever you listen, you try to explain. Okay, active listening is very important. Okay, when you listen actively, so you try to make sentence like a story, so you are explaining in your way. Okay, what you seen. When you explain, so you have a topic, because so many people they think that I don't have topic. So which topic I'm talking about? How do I do practice? Okay, so you have always topic. When you spend like a 2-3 month with this language, then you try to remember vocabulary. How you remember? When you watch any kind of video, and at that time if you not understand that sentence, so you search that what is the meaning of that word. Okay, when you understand the meaning, you try to make sentence in your own way. Okay, if you learn like this, so you definitely improve. Second thing is that when you learn vocabulary, so what happened with us, we do so many mistakes. We try to learn whole vocabulary in a one day. Okay, so we speak like 100 vocabulary in a day, every single day, but when time come to remembering, we are not remembering. Okay, so don't do it. At least 10 to 5 vocabulary you learn, and learn in repeating mode again and again. Okay, because vocabulary is very important. People not understand. People only think that I am learn this language, but how learn this language they are not know. Okay, so if you improve your vocabulary every single day, so you definitely improve. When you complete like 10 to 15 vocabulary in a day, so you do practice with, you are creating story, you are creating sentence, and if you're interested to write it down, so write it down, because if you write, so your spelling mistake is also improve. Okay, so many things if we work, so definitely improve. So we are talked about vocabulary. Now we are talk about how to remember in a long term. Okay, if we not have environment, so it is difficult for us to connected with this language, remembering whole thing. Okay, if you think that this is my passion, so don't think that I am spent 6 months, 1 year, because this is a very long time journey. Okay, again I'm told you that if we have like environment, English partner, so we don't need anything. Okay, but if we not have, so we create our own environment, and who's help us? Our mobile phone is very if we use in productive way, so very good thing for us. Okay, so when you spend like 1 year, 2 year, and then we think that I am learn this language, so if I'm quit, so this is not a big deal, but don't do it, because if you break your consistency, when you start again, so you are going to be zero. Okay, and you are not remember anything if you not do practice. Okay, so practice is very important. You practice every single day, don't break your consistency. Okay, if you busy in some other work, so at least do practice 5 minutes in a day. This language is not need your so much time. If you free, so you can learn. You create a environment like whatever you watch in English. Okay, if you watch, so automatically your mind is interested to watch that kind of content. Okay, so this is a very important thing, which if you interested to watching story kind of videos, so you can watch. If you watch reels, so you can watch, but in English. So many content available on English, you can watch. Okay, and whatever you watch actively. Okay, if you have much time, so you can put a headphone and watch, but when you free, at least 30 minutes in a day, you watch actively. Okay, because active listening is very important. And whatever you watch, you like write it down. Okay, this is a very difficult thing, people boring with that thing, but if you do like some days, so your mind is habitual to that kind of thing. What happened with us, if we consistent with this journey, and when we are break, okay, so our mind also instigate us that we are forget something, we are not doing anything today. Why? Because we are habitual to learn this language. So this kind of thing also happen with us. When I'm break my consistency, so my mind indicate me that today we are not learn something. Okay, and when I learn, so I'm happy that I'm fulfill my goal, today's goal. Okay, so you set goal that I'm learn today this that. Okay, if you learn like this, so you are connected with this language and you improving is also very important. This is a very fast. Okay, so improve every single day. Okay, I hope you like this video. If you, then please like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. We will meet in the next video.